Guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty. So today's video is all about the new launches in makeup. I'm going to talk to you all about the new launches in L'Oreal as well as Faces, and these products are extremely exciting. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So first let's start off with L'Oreal, and L'Oreal has two new launches and these are quite exciting. So the first one is a foundation, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Matte Magique 12-hour Bright Matte Foundation. So this is their Matte Magique range, and this is what the packaging looks like. As you can see, it's a nice bright hot pink color, and the packaging is what attracted me in the first place. So that's why I actually went to the counter and I purchased these two products that are there. So both these products are the new launches in the Matte Magique range. So this is what the product looks like. As you can see, it's a nice hot pink color and I really like it. It looks really classy, and so A+ on the packaging, and it's obviously a squeezy tube, so it's always easy to carry, and it's very lightweight as well. You can just throw it in your handbag as well. So I really like the packaging on this. So they've said that this provides air-light texture, then the coverage is natural, and the finish is semi-matte, which is great because you don't want that extra mattifying foundation or anything like that, because again your face looks very dry and patchy throughout the day. And then this provides 12 hours of coverage, so basically it lasts for 12 hours. So it's pretty good. I haven't tried this for 12 hours, but I'm going to try it out and let you guys know my reviews on this. So if you want me to do a review on this particular product itself, then let me know in the comments down below. So now I'm just going to show you all the texture of this on my hand. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's a liquidy kind of a texture, and the color has a lot of warmer undertones, which is perfect for Indian skin tones especially. And then you just have to blend it. It seems really soft on my hand, and as you can see, this is going to provide a lot of coverage as well. So that's why I really like this concept that they have gotten. And yeah, I think this is going to work perfectly well. This is semi-matte finish, which is perfect for the Indian climate as well, and I'm absolutely loving this. I'm going to review it obviously on my blog as well, so make sure you check that out. The cost of this foundation is $5.95, which I think is perfectly fine because again it's L'Oreal, and L'Oreal doesn't do a lot of affordable products. Their products are generally on the more expensive side, but then again this Matte Magique range as a whole is more affordable as compared to their other products, and that's why I think it's worth the price as well. You get a lot of quantity with it as well, and yeah, I think you should definitely get this one. I'm obviously going to review it, and this also has an SPF of 11, which is always good because you always need SPF. So yeah, that was the Matte Magique foundation from L'Oreal, and now let's move on to the next product launch, which is actually a liquid liner, and this is again their L'Oreal liner Magique, and just look at the packaging. I mean, it's so pretty. It is again black and pink, which is really classy. It's not too girly as well, which I really like. So this is the liner, and she actually just swatched it on my hand over there at the counter, and I was just like blown away because I'll just show you all the pigmentation of this liner. And yeah, okay, so this is my hand again. Just look at that. Just look how intensely pigmented this is, and this is an intense black liner, a liquid liner obviously, and this is just gonna dry matte, and it dries matte like fully. So I really like this liner. I don't know the price of this. I'm going to link it down below in the description box so you all can check it out for yourself, but I would definitely recommend this whole Matte Magique range that's there, because especially the liner, I mean the liner is just amazing. If you love eyeliners, then you should totally go for this. Let's move on to Inglot, and Inglot has two new launches. So first is their HD foundation, and the second is their HD lip tints. So I didn't get the foundation, but I did get the HD lip tints that are there. So I actually saw these two products on their Snapchat, and I was like, I really need to get my hands on this, and at that moment only I left for the mall and I got this lip tint. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really nice and it's classy, and this is a nice bright red color. So I didn't get the nude colors because I have a ton of those, so that's why I got this red color. And obviously I have posted a picture of this on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, do that right now. It's at bestofbeauty29, and this is in the shade 12. Sorry, that's my phone. So I'm just gonna swatch this on my hand. These lip tints are intensely pigmented. Just look at that. I mean, the pigmentation on these is just amazing, and they're very smooth as well. It's just that I don't like the applicator on this because as you can see, it's very difficult to apply with these. I don't know if the camera is catching it. Yeah, right now. So as you can see, it's a very flat applicator and it's very thick. So when you go to apply it, actually goes everywhere. So you actually need a lip brush to apply this product because otherwise you're not going to get those precise lines that are there. And this lip product that's there costs around 1,850 rupees. So it's very, very expensive. I mean, for a liquid lipstick, it's just too much. But again, these dry extremely matte and they stay on for a really long time as well. The only problem is that as soon as you eat something, they just come off your lips, and the thing is that they fade off really weirdly on your lips. That's why I don't like that also about these. So I think that if you just like liquid lipsticks and if you want to try out a new formula, then you can definitely go for this, but otherwise I think it's just too expensive to invest in. Okay, so the last brand is actually Faces, and as soon as I went to the Faces counter, there were a couple of new launches and these launches are extremely exciting. I mean, Faces as a brand is just blooming right now. I mean, just look at these products, you will come to know. So first let's start off with the lip products because obviously I love lip products, and these are the two new launches. So these are the Faces Ultim Pro lip crayons and these are the creme lip crayons. They are not the matte ones. So this is a different formula and texture. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's quite bulky actually, but then again you're not going to use this packaging in general. So I have two shades in this. I have 05 Mochalicious and I have 07 Fantasy. These are again the nudie pink shades because I love those. So this is what the lip crayons look like. I just feel that the packaging on these is slightly bulky. I mean, I prefer the matte lipsticks that are there, that they have the matte lip crayons, because the packaging on those are really nice. But again, the quality of these lip products is just mind-blowing. I will just show you all the swatches of these, and these are very hydrating and the color payoff is really good. So the first one I'm going to swatch is 05 and this is Mochalicious and this is my favorite. So yeah, this is like those Revlon balms that are there, similar to that, but again I feel like the color selection in these is really great, and again the quality of these products is really nice. So this one is Mochalicious 05 and I think this is this perfect nude color, will suit everybody. If you want to get one of these, then you can totally go for this shade. So this is Mochalicious. And the second one I have is 07 Fantasy, and that is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. So it's a nice pink color and that is what. These are so pretty. I just love the formula on these. I mean, you would definitely invest in this rather than the Inglot lipstick. So this one is 07 Fantasy. So this is 07 Fantasy. It's a nice bright pink color with lots of warmer undertones. So this will also suit a lot of skin tones. And this one is Mochalicious. I love these lip crayons and I think that you should totally go for these. So the next is this Faces Ultim Pro eyeshadow crayon. Now obviously this is not a new launch, but I really wanted to share this color because this color is just brilliant and the formula on this is so good that it stays on for a really long time and the color payoff is amazing. So this is in the shade Dancing Queen and this is what they look like. So they look like those Ultim Pro matte crayons that are there. Yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is a very pretty color. This is the shade Dancing Queen, as I said. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Just look at this. I mean, in different lighting it looks different because it has a lot of colorful shimmers in it and it looks really nice. And if you are not an eyeshadow pro or anything like that, you can just apply this all over your eyelid and just blend it, and this is just going to look perfect. So I really love this color. So I've kept the best for the last, and this is Faces Ultim Pro Illuminating Powder. So this is a powder highlighter that they've introduced, and as soon as she showed me this color, I was so excited because this resembles Jaclyn Hill's Champagne Pop highlighter, and this is just amazing, the color. And I'm just going to show all, and you get so much quantity in this, like just look at this. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Oh my god. And this cost around 650 bucks, which I think is totally worth it because you get so much quantity in this. And I love the packaging on this again, and this is what the color looks like. It doesn't like exactly resemble Champagne Pop. Obviously there is slight difference, but again this is the perfect dupe for it. So this is how the color looks like. As you can see, these are also intensely pigmented and they're very soft and creamy, and I really love this. If you just want to go for a highlighter and you're just trying out highlighters, I would totally recommend checking this out because this is a must have in your collection. I just feel that when you apply them on your cheeks, they're not as intensely pigmented, but I think that that's perfectly fine because sometimes you don't want that intense highlight on your face. I'm not saying that they're not pigmented, I'm just saying that slightly less pigmented as compared to the Makeup Revolution one. But again, you can just build this up and it's going to look beautiful on your cheekbones. And I'm actually wearing it on my cheekbones today. So yeah, really excited about this and I really love this. So yeah guys, these were all the new product launches, and don't worry, I'm going to keep doing these kind of videos because I love splurging on makeup, and there are lots of hauls coming soon, like lots. Like you might just get tired looking at the amount of products that I've got. So stay tuned for that, and also if you like these kind of videos, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Also follow me on my social media, that is Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The handle is bestofbeauty29, and check out my blog. I think some of you haven't still, so make sure you do that. It's www.bestofbeauty29.com. just go there and you'll find product reviews over there as well, so do that. And also make sure you hit the subscribe button right now because I'm going to upload a lot of videos from now on. I think that I need to just buck up and upload tons of videos, so I'm going to do that for you guys. So make sure you are subscribed because then only you will be notified. So make sure you do that, and yeah, I will see you in the next one guys. Love you.